welcome back once again. So we're going to continue on with Operation Kit Kat. Let's take a look at what we've done so far. We've added a folder for our workspace, and over here you can see that, Operation Kit Kat. We've also identified our home base location and our area of operation. So we've done this, and we're going to do this. Operation Kit Kat Part 3. We're going to add a subfolder called Key Locations and add place marks there. Now here's what our key locations are going to be. These are the mandatory stops that we need to make. These are going to be close friends and family, places that have the really good candy. Let's put a spot on the map to mark those so we can plan our route. Let's see a few examples here. So first I'm going to add a subfolder. Right here at Operation Kit Kat, right click, add a folder. I'm going to call it Key Locations. And click OK. I'm going to zoom on in. And a few key locations are my immediate neighbors. I'm going to right click, add a place mark. And I got this nice guy across the street. I'm going to call him Mr. B. I'll add another one. Add another place mark. I'm going to put this next door right here. This will be Mr. T. And I'm going to move further down. We have another friend down the street. She lives right here. I'm going to add another place mark. Move this polygon on top of her house. And this is friend E. And click OK. Now there's another location that's a little bit further away. We don't really know these people that well, but they have the coolest decorations. Like we definitely want to see this plot. These people go all out. Love seeing this house. They live a little bit further away. Let's see if it's in our area of operation. They live down the street, just past the school, and it's this house right here, just within our boundary. So I'm going to add another place mark, put it right there. I might use a different icon for this guy because I'm going to use this volcano. And I'm going to name this place mark Cool Deco for decorations. We want to hit this spot and click OK. So there's just a few examples. And you can see all of those are within our area of operation. We're going to mark all these spots that we want to hit along the way before we draw our route, because this will help us define that route. So I'm going to add a few more. What I want you guys to do is the same thing. Add a subfolder called Key Locations. And then in that subfolder, I want you to add all the place marks for the stops along your route that you want to take. Once you're done with that, make sure you save my places as always, then come catch the next video. Thanks for watching. Map Your World.